Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Allie. So sorry about this crappy lighting, but the sun is starting to go down a little bit and we're doing the best that we can, and I also have class in 30 minutes, so let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a room tour, so let's go. Okay, so first let me turn the light on. There we go. So first off, we have my sister's room right there. You can't even see it, but you can see the door. Then the bathroom. And we have this beautiful mirror right here. And then my room. Okay, so here's the mirror. This is what it looks like. I know it's really bad lighting. I apologize. Okay, so this is my door. It's a wooden door, and then it's painted this like darker wood color. I like it. It's really pretty. So this is just a quick overview of my room. Okay, so first thing we're gonna go, I have a chair right here normally, which is right there because I have this monitor for my dog, and yeah. So then I have this whiteboard right here, this big ginormous whiteboard, and I just put things on there. So I just have be happy, you have to go through the dark times to get to the light, lab, because that's my dog, her name is Finny, and then focus on the positive, do your best in all that you do. And then I had more up there, but I erased it. And then down here, I just have the monitor right there, and then I have some of my dog's toys right here, and then I usually have a bag of food for her right here. We just kind of put it in my room because we have a gate right there, so she can't get in here. So we just have some of her toys. We do like half and half. We'll like have one for a few days, then I'll switch them out just so that she doesn't get bored of the toys. Okay, and then I have my right here, so you have the whiteboard, and then right here I have my desk. This is where I just kind of chill. I do some homework over here sometimes, but I usually do my homework now in the kitchen because I don't have the greatest Wi-Fi. So I do come in here and do homework sometimes, but not all the time. And then I have this really bright light, which I might actually turn on so that it's, there we go. That's the light. It's really bright. And then I have just the desk, and I just have another mirror right here. And then I have a bin, you know, just everything that you would have on a desk. I just have my school's name, and then pencils and pens, and then I have this, which I got for my birthday, which is just a lab and a girl. And then I have nothing in there right now, but I usually put my computer, my laptop, headphones in there, but I don't have them in there right now because my laptop's in the other room. And then I have a picture of my family, and this picture actually moves, if you can see like the glitter. So that's really cool. And then just the normal chair. Okay, and then underneath, I just have I have a bag right here of like, just a bag that I would put like, it's like my purse bag kind of. And then I just have all my school stuff, like books and notebooks and all that. And then I have a rug right here, and it just has gold. I have like a gold theme kind of in my room, so I like gold. Then I have all these stuffed animals right here, just from when I was like younger, and I just like to keep them. And then they're in like another gold bag. I'm sorry, it's so hard to see. And then I just have a blanket back there, and that's like a mermaid one that a family friend of mine got me. And then I have a rack thing with this, a purse, a bag that I would use if I go over to like a friend's house for a night or whatever. And then one of my mom's old purses that she gave me, some hats, another purse, and then like just some things. And then I have this big picture, so the desk, it's right here. I had this big picture of my dog, and this was a few months ago. She's almost 6 months now, so this was maybe when she was like 4, I want to say, 4 months. And it's a really good picture. So that's in my room. Okay, moving on, I have my bed. So obviously you have right there, and then my bed's right here. So I have, as you can see, a gold theme, and then like a zebra underneath. It's like a two-way blanket, and it's gold with dots, polka dots, whatever. And then I have this right here of a lab holding a stick, which perfectly represents my dog because she loves to run around with sticks in her mouth. So I'm sure every lab does. And then my comforter is actually gold with pink too. Then I have this ginormous pillow that I got for my birthday that I'm obsessed with. I sleep on it every night, and then these are all like decorations. And then I have these pillows, and then those that are also gold. And then I have a pillow right here. Also, the future is kind, I think. I can't see what that says. Something like that. And then I have 2 stuffed animals up here, or whatever you want to call them. There's a dog and then a cat. And I like to keep the cat because my dad actually gave this to me when I had surgery a while ago, like 5 years ago. So I always keep those up here. They're not prettiest right now, but that'll do. Okay. Sorry, I keep stopping because I'm looking at the time. So then I have this book thingy, whatever, in front of me. So I just have the letter A for my initials, and then love, and then a picture of my old dog when he was a puppy, and he passed away about 5 or 6 years ago. So I always keep pictures of him in here as well because, of course, I miss him. And then I have some things for school. Christmas gifts, and something that I need to do. And then some cards, and then another school thing that is, I need to like clean this area up. This is like a raw thing. Okay, and then I have this gold thing in here. It just has some random miscellaneous things. And then I have my cases, and then I have one more back there, which you can't really see. My high school stuff, and then my Harkness binder. And then I have this gold thing under here that usually I would put here, but I thought it just looked weird. So I just kind of hang it over here, and then if I like sit on the floor, I'll take it out and sit on it. Moving on to the other side of my bed. So first off, my room, I don't have a closet. My room's like a makeshift room. So I have all my shoes underneath here. It's really hard to see, but as you can tell. And then I have this big extension cord. I don't know how to hide it, so if you have any suggestions, let me know. But on here I just have my phone charger, my Apple charger for my Apple Watch, and my laptop charger. I feel like I'm missing something, but oh, and then I also have this, and this is what a family friend got me for my birthday. And you basically, it's really cool actually. You open it up and you can put your phone in there or your keys or whatever, and it will clean your phone for you, which is very nice because obviously your phone is like the most dirty thing ever. All right, moving on. I just have that whole thing there. I don't know what to do with it. I move it over here sometimes, but it's just over here because I had to do something for my mom earlier. And then I just have my laundry basket, you know, the normal. And then I just have a huge, if you can even see that, it's just really big drawers, and I just have all my clothes in here. And then up here on top, I have a picture that my cousin drew of me about when I was probably 12 or so, with short hair. So I always have had that. And then I just have this, I have some, I don't know what, a journal or something. Like I said, this is raw. I need to like clean up a little bit, but, and then I have a sign that's about success. And then I have all my candy and stuff up here from my birthday still. So there's that. I need to eat that up. And then I have this little light, and these actually turn on. It's really cool. That my grandma gave me, so that's really cool. Then I have a lamp. That's a really bad lamp, but it works. And then I have this little seat right here, and I sit in it sometimes, and it's really nice. And I have a pillow here that has roses on it. This pillow that my grandma gave me that has like, you can like move it. I don't know. And then my cap from my cap and gown from high school, and then a microphone. And then I have another rug over here. It's not the nicest, but it also has some more gold things on it. And then over here I have my corner of backpacks and random crap. So I have my old backpack, and then one that I used like the last 2 years. But I just keep this one. I don't even know why. And then snow pants. And then just like random, like, I don't even know. Anyways, and then my cap and gown, which obviously completely fell over. I had no idea what to do with it. And then in here, this is so messy. I don't want to show it. It's so messy, but it just has all my things that need to be hung up. I really need to like clean all of my drawers out over the weekend because holy crap. All right, I have 20 minutes. So then I have, again, I have some paintings that I drew earlier. I'm probably gonna do some more over the weekend. I don't know, we'll see. So I have these two of just random like designs. Thought they were kind of cool, and my mom actually pointed out I had an AL, so A and then L, and my mom was like, "Did you mean to do that?" I was like, "No." And then there's also an H, and then another, I guess that could be another A, triangle, and a 4 right there, and another L. So, you know, just whatever. And then some designs, and then I tried to do a panda. I think that turned out pretty well. I'm not an artist, and it just went off with something on Google. So, that's pretty cool. I have a pillow, and another pillow. As you can see, I have a lot of pillows, and then some folders from a while ago. And then in this little gold thing, I just have some, again, miscellaneous things like purse or wallets and all of that fun stuff. Alrighty. And then I have this bookshelf that used to have a full books, but I moved all the books so that I had room to put all of these things. Okay, so up here I have a picture back there. I don't even know if you can see that right there. It's a picture of my dog, but I didn't know where to put this, so I put this up here, and it's another picture of my dog holding, what do you think, a stick. And this was when she was like 8 weeks old. So this was like the first week or 2 we had her. And then I just have a jewelry box. And then another picture, which I need to put something in here, but I just haven't, so it's been sitting there for a long time. And then some more jewelry things, and then I have a sign that says XOXO. And then I have these little stickers that I've had it for like a year that I completely forgot about when I was cleaning out my room the other day. So I decided to put those up there. And then I have some movies, and then I have these little things, which actually are right there. Some of them fell off, so I just have those. And then some headphones, these are my rings, 2 letter A's, a necklace, some books, and then this thing I made in like 8th grade, and it's like a phone stander. And then I have another thing with miscellaneous stuff in it, an old piggy bank, and then another old piggy bank, and then this thing which says dream, which I'm actually gonna move so you can actually see what that says. And then more dots. I have like dots on everything, and then another sign. Live with intention, be bold in the face of adversity, live the life you were destined for, my goodness. And then I have more books, and then more jewelry. So that's just what that looks like. And then right here, I just have the books that were there, and I moved them here. So this was probably a very boring video, but I'm gonna post it anyways because I haven't posted in so long, and I apologize for that. I have filmed a few videos on my time off, but not when I'm, oh my god, you can't even see me. Not when I'm not doing anything, but I never liked how they turned out. But I'm gonna try and post this anyways. So hopefully you are seeing this. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure to comment down below any video ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next video.